Hi guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to fix corrupted WinRAR files quickly and easily so you can recover your important archives without any hassle. Step 1. Open WinRAR on your computer by double-clicking the WinRAR icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. This will launch the program and give you access to all your compressed files. Step 2. Navigate to the folder containing the corrupted archive file. You can use the WinRAR interface to browse through your directories, which makes it easier to locate the file that needs fixing. Step 3. Click on the file to select it, then go to the Commands menu and choose Add Files to Archive. This step ensures WinRAR recognizes the file and prepares it for the repair process. Step 4. Click on the Tools menu at the top and choose Repair Archive. This is the main repair function in WinRAR, which analyzes the corrupted file and attempts to restore it to a usable state. Step 5. Select a location on your computer to save the repaired file, then click OK to start the repair process. WinRAR will create a new archive, and once completed, you can access the restored files without any errors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.